Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, and also I will touch on EOS as well, and 240 million in suspected Ponzi scheme asset that moved in 4 Bitcoin transactions. There's a whale alert for that. Just in case you're new to the channel, just to remind everybody that you can get the free EOS Lumen DAI token in Coinbase. If you're interested, you can check it out. Also, if you haven't installed Brave browser, you can click the link below. That will help out my channel. And the Brave browser is pretty cool because it block out all the advertising. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or giveaway. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So this is a tweet from CL. Basically, he's talking about that if the Bitcoin fall below the grayscale Bitcoin premium, then we will back to a major bearish signal. So he also tweeting about the bull fails to push open the next phrase, which is 12K. So the bull failed to push over 12K. That means we are going to revert it, and then the midterm bull run is over. Now, basically, the band compress, right? And then we will consolidate. So expecting a boring actions ahead until the bands are much tighter than currently. So if the bands is tighter like this, that means you're going to have a major move upcoming. But right now, we are not there yet. So that means we are still in consolidation phase. And there's an interesting tweet from Tim Pool. He basically said, I bought Bitcoin a couple of years ago and have ignored it ever since. I'm very happy with that decision. That is very true. If he bought in like 2015, at the time maybe 1,000 or something like that, he still sit on a major profit right now. So the next stop, we're going to talk about EOS. So Nano Nano have a patent secure digital identity. This is like the blockchain. The blockchain will timestamp the photograph and log all the relationship among the user. So basically, the blockchain allow everyone in the world to verify the uniqueness of the individual. So I'm not sure if this is very similar to when you log into the bank account, then you pick a picture or stuff like that. And I'm not sure if people know more about this. Please comment below. So is it necessary to have like a picture or stuff like that on the blockchain? Is it really needed? I mean, I'm not sure. Let me know what you think about this patent secure digital identity. And I hope they are not doing KYC and all that thing. That will defeat the whole purpose of the blockchain. And yeah. So let's talk about the 240 million in the suspected Ponzi scheme asset. They move in 4 different transactions. So remember that Ponzi scheme we talked about a few days ago. This is from BAKKT Token, and basically they're promising that if you deposit $500 in the crypto asset, they will give you like 8% and 16% per month. So this is like a big connect. This is another Ponzi scheme. Right now they're exiting the scam, and basically they're dumping all this Bitcoin into the exchange. So there's a whale alert on August 17. There's 4 transactions totaling over 22,000 Bitcoin. The 4 transactions, basically 6,000, 5,000 Bitcoin, 7,000 Bitcoin, and 4,923 Bitcoin. All the transactions has been took place on August 17. So I'm not sure. People are saying that this time because of the Ponzi scheme, it suppressed the price of Bitcoin. We'll see. I think also the future contract also will suppress the price of Bitcoin, not only a Ponzi scheme. Of course, if you're dumping so much Bitcoin all at once in the market, that means it's going to degrade the price because this is a supply and demand anyway, right? Yeah, if you haven't watched my previous video about inverted yield curve, you can take a look. So that means we are going to have a recession. I'm not sure if the recession will come sooner. Based on historical data, they're saying 17 months to 24 months. But I think the curve is already inverted back in, I think, earlier 2018 or something like that. So, or earlier. So I'm not sure the recession may come earlier. We don't know. So I have to go back in history and look back when was the first time the curve was inverted. So just be prepared for the upcoming recession. So just in terms of financial and in terms of a lot of things, just don't spend money unnecessarily. So you got to be prepared for the upcoming recession. And this time the recession coming around, that will be more serious than probably the last recession, the 2008 financial crisis. Maybe this time will be the bond crisis, because right now the bond yield right now is negative. Like in Germany, the bond yield is negative. In Japan, the bond yield is negative. This is very abnormal. So I'm not sure. This time is the bond crisis. Last time is the mortgage-backed security, the mortgage crisis. But right now, we are not sure. So just be prepared. Not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do your own research. But it looks like it doesn't look good. So a lot of people are saying that if the stock market not doing well, and they will go to Bitcoin as a safety. But I think majority of the people don't see cryptocurrency as a flight to safety at this time. Maybe for the people from China, they want to outflow the capital to outside. That's a different story. But in terms of flight for safety, I think they will go to commodity like gold and silver, and the real thing. I think if you go to the paper, gold or silver, it's not safe either. So probably you need to go to the real thing. And so right now we don't know. So just be prepared. So I've been talking about gold and silver since last year, and at the times gold is 1,200, silver is like 14 some dollars. So in terms of gold to silver ratio, and I think the gap will be narrower. So I think the rate of return for silver is better than gold. But not a financial advice. You do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. So just be prepared for the next recession is coming. And some people may argue that, based on historical data, because almost 90% or more of the presidential election cycle, the stock market is going up and up. Yeah, but the thing is, after the presidential cycle, probably everything will fall apart. I'm not sure, but I'm not I don't have a crystal ball, but based on the inverted yield curve, it has been predicted the recession very accurately based on historical data. Just be prepared. Just have just be prepared. Don't. This is right now. Right now is a time to be off risk. So just don't be speculated on so many things. And also, a lot of people saying that they have to be in a position, well, cash is also in a position as well, not just have to put money in different financial instruments, right? So just be careful out there. We don't know. And even though the curve is inverted, the stock market may still pumping before the final financial collapse. So we don't know. So you guys, let me know what you think about the upcoming recession. Do we think we are going to have an upcoming recessions? And let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or giveaway. If you have already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming videos. Some of the videos may be time sensitive because of the airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency or other asset has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.